It's one of the fastest and most important components in your PC. It's DRAM, or Dynamic Random Access Memory, and it's been a key part of computers since the beginning. Here at Kingston, we've been designing, manufacturing, and testing DRAM modules for decades. Here's how we do it. Quality computer memory first starts with great design. And at Kingston, great design happens in the engineering department. Each of the thousands of products Kingston manufactures originates from the engineering teams, who develop new technologies and improve existing ones. As a member of JEDEC, Kingston designs memory built to industry standards. We also create customized memory solutions for our customers by request, because we believe your success is our success. New designs are created in the CAD department. Here, Kingston's engineers map out each layer of the printed circuit board, or PCB. When a design is completed, it's then submitted to a PCB supplier. The PCB sample is sent through production to have DRAM and other components surface-mounted. The finished module is then sent for compatibility testing. In these labs, engineers test out the memory module in real-world environments on specific motherboards, systems, or classes of systems they're designed to support, to confirm compatibility. When a design is approved, its plans are sent to production for assembly, testing, and packaging. With 59 manufacturing lines worldwide, Kingston has the capacity to produce hundreds of millions of products per year. We're running 24 hours a day, ensuring that our memory manufacturing process follows a strict multi-stage regimen of quality controls and testing before shipping to global distribution. And it all begins with quality materials. Before the manufacturing process starts, PCB panels and components must first go through the stage of incoming quality control, or IQC. Kingston sources raw materials, including various configurations of DRAM and NAND from the world's leading semiconductor manufacturers. Next up is the material kitting stage, where the necessary components are loaded onto the line to get ready for assembly. Now it's on to the good stuff. Surface mount technology, or SMT. These SMT lines are the beating heart of the Kingston manufacturing process, assembling thousands of products per hour. With the components loaded, the first step in the SMT line is the screen printer. Here, solder paste is spread over a stencil of the approved PCB design, which transfers it onto the circuit board. The boards then pass through an automated optical inspection, or AOI station, where they're carefully examined for solder placement. Once this is done, we proceed with surface mounting for passive components like resistors and capacitors, as well as primary components like DRAM chips. After the chips are placed onto the PCBs, they pass through the reflow oven, where, based on the specific product design, they're subjected to temperature cycles designed to cure the solder paste. After reflow, all products must undergo a final inspection. At this point, the modules are ready for labeling. Here, the PCB panels are put through an automated labeling system that can adhere up to 1,000 labels per hour. This is an important step, as the labels not only tag the product part number, but also include security features to help identify genuine Kingston products. After labeling, the boards then move on to the depaneling stage, where individual modules are trimmed from the panels. It's at this point that the memory module's physical form is complete. However, in order for the modules to work, they have to go through the process of automatic serial presence detect, or auto-SPD. It's here where the modules are programmed to be identifiable and accessible by computers. Once this process is complete, the memory module is now a fully functioning product. Some products, however, require additional assembly for heat spreaders, though this is done after function testing. But before any Kingston product leaves the factory, it goes through a rigorous multi-tiered testing system. Here at Kingston, we pride ourselves on having developed one of the most advanced testing processes in the industry, featuring unique test environments for which we hold 29 patents. At this stage, the memory modules will be subjected to a series of tests, including functionality, stress, and performance, before final visual inspection. Kingston has an unwavering practice of 100% production testing on all finished goods. This means that we test every cell, on every chip, on every module. On a 16 gigabyte module, that's over 136 billion cells. If even one bad cell is detected, that product is considered defective and does not leave the factory. We do this to ensure that the products we send to our customers are of the utmost quality. Once testing is complete, Kingston products are finally ready for distribution. They're sent to the packing department, where they're packaged, processed, and shipped out to distributors, retailers, e-tailers, and customers worldwide. Kingston delivers over 1 million units a day to over 225,000 locations globally. When it comes to memory module manufacturing, Kingston is the industry leader. From the quality components we use in our memory to the stringent testing processes we employ, Kingston ensures that the products we send out to our customers are the best in the world. Wherever you are, Kingston is with you.